Hi there, students. Squinch. Squinch. Okay, this can either be a noun, a squinch, or as a verb, to squinch. Now, as a verb, to squinch, it means to narrow your eyes. You know, if the light's really bright or you can't see, you squinch, you close up your eyes. So I squinched to try and make out what was written on the page, to squinch. Yeah, or you can screw up your face. Okay, to squinch up your face, to narrow your face, to pull the muscles of your eyes or your face taut. So he squinched up his eyes in order to be able to see. Or, for example, if you're sitting in the dark and somebody switches on the light, yeah, you shut your eyes and just have a little bit open. You squinch so you can just see. Now, also, you can use this verb to squinch, meaning to crouch down, to make yourself small, to occupy less space. So, the dog was frightened and I could see it squinched up in the corner. Very often squinched up, pushed together. Okay, so to squinch, to press together the features of the face or the muscles of the body. Okay, to squinch. He squinched up his face and it was clear from the look on his face that he was not happy. Okay, and this is to squinch, to scrunch up your face. It's linked to the verb to squint. It's linked to the verb to squash, to pinch, to push all of these together. Now, the other meaning of a squinch is completely different, and it's from a completely different origin. A squinch is a piece of architecture. Let's see, if you have a square building and you want to put a dome on the top, something round on the top, the transition from square walls to suddenly a round dome it's not a very good transition. And what they do, or the Romans used to do it, is to put like corners in the corners. They put squinches in the corner. They're like triangular pieces to turn the square into an octagon and to help the transition from this square to a circle. And this is a squinch. It's a triangular corner at the base of the dome, and its idea is so that you have a gentle transition, or a more gentle transition, from the square building to the round dome on top. And okay, this is something that I think you can see in Hagia Sophia. Okay, so to squinch up your face, to squinch up your body. Yeah, okay, to push everything together. And then a squinch, a masonry arch, something, a construction thing, to go over a corner, to start to round a square building. Now, let's see, origin. Well, the squinch like this is, I think it's a mixture of squint, pinch, I think you've even got squink-eyed, to squash, to, yeah, and that's the idea, to scrunch up your face. And then the squinch in architecture is from a word scutcheon or scuncheon. So let's see. Also, if you squinch up your face, I think this is a 3.5 in formality. Whereas the architectural squinch is probably a 7.5 or an 8 in formality. So they come from different places, they're completely different formalities. So, squinch.